This dance is called Glitter and Gold. It's a 64 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance with 2 tags and 2 restarts. So we're starting off on our right foot. Set the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, chassé to the right, cross rock, left over right, recover on your right and chassé to the left. Nice and easy to start with. Just do that once more, side behind chassé off on the right. 7, 8, side behind, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé. Cross right over left, step the left back into a coaster step, right foot leading. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right, shuffle forward on the left. That section once more then, cross back up on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. Add that to the top. Side behind off on the right. 7, 8, side behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle. Now to the slightly trickier sections. Touch your right forward, twist your heels to the right, back to centre. So that right foot is still in the touch position. Into a kick, ball, step. Right foot leading, kick, ball, step. Step forward on the right, further step on the left and pivot a quarter turn to the right. That set of steps once more then. Touch, twist, twist off on the right. 7, 8, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, 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 pivot. Let's add that to the top. Side behind off on the right. 7, 8, side behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, 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 pivot. Step the left forward, twist your heels to the right, twist them back to the left, but this time you're going to make a quarter turn to the right. Kick, ball, step off on the right, step forward on the right, add on a Lambo cross, side rock cross on that left. So that set of steps once more. Step twists, making that quarter turn on that second twist. Off on the left. 7, 8, step, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, step, Lambo cross. Let's add that to the top. Side behind off on the right. 7, 8, side behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, 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 pivot, step, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, step, Lambo cross. So that is our halfway point. From here then, step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. On the and count, you'll bring the feet together, cross the left over the right. Add on the first half of a Monterey half turn. So we're going to point the right to the side, turn ourselves half a turn to bring the feet together. So that's half of your Monterey. Kick, ball, cross off on the left, kick, ball, cross, point the left to the side. So that set of steps once more then. Side behind and cross, off on the right. 7, 8, side behind and cross, Monterey, kick, ball, cross, point. Step back on the left, point to the right to the side. On the and count, bring the feet together, walk forward, left, right. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn right, cross shuffle, left over right. So that set of steps once more then from our point, back, point up on the left. 7, 8, back, point and walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Let's add that to our halfway point, side behind and cross off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind and cross, Monterey, kick, ball, cross, point, back, point and walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Nice and easy now. Modified rumba box forward. So step right to the side, feet together, shuffle forward on the right. That's the modification. Step left to the side, feet together, shuffle back on that left. Nice and easy. Let's add the next section on because it's not difficult. Back shuffle, 2 steps, back shuffle on the right, back shuffle on the left. Rock back on the right, cover your weight on the left, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left. End of dance. So let's do those last 2 sections then. Modified rumba box, 2 back shuffles, back rock, step, pivot, half on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back, rock, step, pivot. Let's add that to our halfway point. Side, behind and cross off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind and cross, Monterey, kick, ball, cross, point, back, point and walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back, rock, step, pivot. So that's our 2 halves. Let's put them together. Side behind chassé off on the right. 7, 8, side behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, 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 pivot, step, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, step, mambo, cross, side, behind and cross, Monterey, kick, ball, cross, point, back, point and walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back, rock, step, pivot. So that's the dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance and the count, so hopefully you can see what the timing is like. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, 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 pivot, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, step, mambo, cross, side, behind, and cross, Monterey, kick, ball, cross, point, back, point, and walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back, rock, step, pivot, side, behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, 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 pivot, step, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, step, mambo, cross, side, behind, and cross, Monterey, kick, ball, cross, point, back, point, and walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back, rock, step, pivot, side, behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, 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 pivot, step, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, step, mambo, cross, side, behind, and cross, Monterey, kick, ball, cross, point, back, point, and walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back shuffle, back shuffle, back, rock, step, pivot. So that's your dance and your walk through. Now there are 2 tags, 2 restarts in this dance. The tags are nice and easy. They are literally side, touch, right foot leading. So you get your first tag at the end of wall 2. Wall 2 is your 3 o'clock wall. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. End of wall 2, side, touch, start again, side, behind, right chassé. Wall 3, you have a restart after 16 counts. So 16 counts will take you to your step, pivot, half, left shuffle. Wall 3, 6 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to and do that restart point. 16 counts, you'll end up facing the front wall. Side, behind, chassé off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, restart, side, behind, right chassé. So that's your first restart. Wall 3 after 16 counts. And then go all the way around and you'll get back to wall 9, which is wall 7. On wall 7 you have a tag and a restart after 32 counts. So they're all in different places. 32 counts is your halfway point. So you will have just done your mambo cross. So let's do wall 7 up to the tag and restart point and restart the dance. Side, behind, off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, 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 pivot, step, twist, twist, kick, ball, step, step, mambo, cross, tag, side, touch, start again, side, behind, right chassé. So that's where they all come in. End of wall 2 is your first tag. Wall 3, after 16 counts, is your first restart. Wall 7, after 32 counts, tag and restart. So that is your dance, it's your walk through, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go. To a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side behind, right side set, cross, rock, left side set, cross, back, twist, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, kick, or step, pivot, step, twist, kick, or step, mambo cross, side behind, cross, rock to right, kick, or cross, point, back, point, and walk, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle. Back shuffle, back walk, step, pivot, side behind, right shuffle, cross, left shuffle, cross, back, coaster, step, pivot, left shuffle, touch, twist, kick or step, twist, kick or step, mambo cross, side behind, cross, watch your right, kick or cross, point, back, point and walk, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle, back walk, step with a tag, side touch, restart. To restart walk, cross, back, twist to step, pivot, restart, side behind shuffle. Cross back, touch, twist, step, twist. Tag, restart. Hope you managed that one.